Yeah, I think I'm gonna do like you, Fred. I think I'm gonna go straight.
Don't fuck him too hard for me.
Huh? I can't make no promises.
Yeah, we're going that way.
Brand, move your ass out the way. Might be good to have somebody behind you. That way he's kind of pulling it up. Cause you got frame dragging back here.
I know, man. I want to winch it up. Get it.
Yeah.
Suction.
Yeah, I didn't like it. Whew. Pretty hard. Should start coming up now. Oh yeah. Be about 3/4 of the tire in the water. Maybe almost to the top.
His tire.
Huh?
Your tire or his tire?
My tire. We might see his steering wheel. Hold on. Fred said, let's just go straight. Ooh, look. That's some bad stuff right there, y'all. Yeah, buddy. It's gonna make a good video right here. Not to the rope, B. Don't hook it to the rope. Thought he was hooking it to your rope. There you go, hook it to your rope.
That's what I was doing.
heard the joke about the 2 Cajun alligators? There was 2 brothers. Oh, they come on the hook. 2 Cajun alligators that were brothers. When they got to the age where it was time for them to leave the mama, they both went their separate ways. They met back up 3 years later, and one of the brothers is 12 foot, and the other brother is 8 foot. The 8 foot asked 12 footer, said, "Dude, man, how you get so big?" He said, "Man, I eat them Cajuns, bro." He was like, "Well, I eat them Cajuns too, but I ain't as big as you." He said, "Well, how you eat them Cajuns?" He said, I'll swim up real slow right behind them at the edge of the water and then holler, "I got you." And that's it, I got him. And he was like, "No, brother." He said, "You're not eating Cajuns, you eating shit in tennis shoes."
My winch is like, nah. So let's turn around and hook 3 winches to it, let him...
Leave it up to Fred to get us stuck. Damn it, Fred. You did this last time we rode together.
Yeah, I did hardcore. Hey, we daisy chain?
Huh?
Can we daisy chain?
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
No more rest from me.
You're going, you're moving. Keep going. Keep them going. Go. Now y'all got him. He's up now. Keep going. Man, he's right there. All right. Good job. Man, it's always nice to see a story like this end happy, you know? Because last time I went, it ended sad. The whole front bumper, dude, came off. That was sad that the whole front bumper came off.
Oh yeah, Brandon was like, "Tiger tail."
Yeah, oh yeah. He took off with that Defender like he was on a goddamn, I don't know, he just took off, dude.
Can you hold my rope?